In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact list in Zoho CRM. We're going to focus on using tags, which is one of the simplest and most flexible ways to build quick, reusable contact lists inside Zoho. Tags let you group contacts based on events, campaigns, or any criteria you choose without changing any of the core data in your CRM. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account and that you're on the main dashboard. From there, look for the Contacts module in your top navigation bar. Go ahead and click on Contacts to open the full list of people stored in your CRM. Once you're in the Contacts module, you'll see a list view of all your contacts. This is where you decide who should be part of your new list. You can scroll through and manually select contacts using the checkboxes beside each name. Or you can use search and filters to narrow things down first. For example, you might filter by lead source, location, or any field that's relevant, then select the results you want to group. After you've selected the contacts you want, look at the top of the list view for the tag icon. It's usually near the other bulk action buttons. Click on the tag icon and a small window will appear. Here, you can either choose an existing tag or create a new one. To create a brand new tag, type the name you want to use. For instance, if these contacts came from a trade show, you might name the tag something like Trade Show 2026, so it's clear and easy to recognize later. Once you've typed the tag name, confirm to apply it. Zoho will now attach that tag to all the contacts you selected. If you already have a relevant tag created, simply select it from the list instead of typing a new one. This is helpful when you're building on an existing group over time. To use this tag as a contact list later, stay in the Contacts module and look at the left-hand sidebar. Find the option that says Filter by Tags. Click that, and you'll see a list of all the tags you've created. Choose the tag you just applied, and Zoho will instantly filter your contacts to show only the ones in that group. This filtered view effectively becomes your reusable contact list, ready for emailing, calling, or any other follow-up activities you want to run.